Some people suffer with teeth grinding and also teeth clenching. These are two very debilitating conditions because they are not only painful, but they affect the health of your teeth. Very often the teeth gets worn down very, very quickly. Teeth can actually be broken in the course of grinding and clenching. And also as well, it can affect your sleep because very often when people grind their teeth, it tends to be at night when they're sleeping. The symptoms of teeth grinding and teeth clenching come from how we handle our stress and our aggression in our everyday lives. For some people, that's very difficult and may require other interventions. However, what we can do for your physical symptoms here at Botonics is we can administer neurotoxin, otherwise referred to as Botox by many people, to the muscles involved in the grinding and clenching process to relieve some of the pain and also to perhaps atrophy the muscle that would have built up over time that may be giving you a wider jaw than you used to have. However, we do recommend that you do also seek some help with managing your stress and aggression in your everyday life and other possible underlying or root causes to this condition. Everyone is very individual, so it's important to consult you very carefully and assess your needs to find out if we can help you to alleviate some of the symptoms that you're experiencing. If you do feel that this is a treatment that you could benefit from, then contact Botonics and arrange for your free consultation so that we can meet and discuss your needs further.